Number 25, Bibar. Number 22, Ligon. Number 12, Malagayo. And Mr. Bulata, what is your number? Okay. And the opposite team, Sky Blue. Number 26, Simoy. Number 12, Tangire. Number 8, Claudio. Number 101, Mandal. And but not the least, number 27, Agiang. Our referee. Ryan Labis and referee Pogi. Oy, walang committee. Okay, blue. Okay. Hindi. Wala man dito, kulang sa tao. Wala pa yung makain pa yung mga... Okay. Okay, sige. Start. Okay, center. Jamal. Okay, ganyan na bola. Okay, number 12. Pass to number 26. Back to number 12. Pass to number 27. And pass to number 12. Still by number 7. Pass to number 12 of that gray. Who's foul rep? There's the whistle. Number 27.
Go! Running time.
Number 22 in the three-point line. No good. Rebound hoop. Carried by number 12. Number dribbling. Diri right direchos. Luar. Rebound number 26. Up. Who's foul rep? Number 12 of dark gray. Number 12, pass to number 8. Number 19, shot by number 19, no good. Rebound by number 21 of dark gray. Steal by number 27. 27, pass to nobody, but steal by number 22 of dark gray. Dark gray in the dribbling. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 22. 22 shot, no good. Rebound by number 19. Number 29, pass back to number 27. Dribbling, harass by number 25. Oops. Referee goal. Number 25, foul of dark gray. Second, team foul. First personal foul. Number 27, pass to number 12. Pass to number 26. Drive in, lays ups, and shoot by number 26. Wow, si Mr. Simoy pala yun. Hindi ko nakilala, bagong gupit. Number 12, dire-diretso. Sinunod lang, pero foul by number 12. Third, team foul of Sky Blue. Number 12, inbound the ball. Inbound the ball, pass to number 7, inside the shaded lane, no good. And getting by number 20, shoot by number 25. Nice shot by number 25. Shoot by number 25. Number 12 in the middle. Looking to the receiver. Nobody. And pass to nobody. Catch the ball to the ring. No good. Rebound by number 12. Harassed by number 12. Referee. Oh, loose ball. An error of number 12 of dark green. Number 12 give the ball. Pass to number 19. Mandal. Pass to number 27. Shot by number 2. Shoot by number 27. 2 points by number 27. Number 22 of dark gray, dribbling. Pass to number 12. Number 12 tried to shoot but no fake and tried to shoot. Referee. Okay, referee whistle number 19. Foul. Who's foul, ref?
19.
19 of the sky blue. Second personal foul, a second team foul. Number 25 tried to shoot, no good. Oh, same ball. No?
Blue.
No. Sky blue. Sky blue to number 27. 27 to 19. Lays up, no good. Last touch by who? Same ball. Last touch by number 7. Number 26 inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to back to number 26. Still by number 25 of dark gray. Number 12, harassed by number 8. Tries left, no. Pass to Mr. Bulatao and cast the foul to number 27 of Sky Blue. Third team foul of
Go.
Sky Blue.
Go! Tuloy mo.
Sided throw-in by number dark gray. Number 12, inbound the ball. Pass to number 25. Shot by
Sapa.
number 25. No good. Rebound by himself. Oh, binato sa ring. Back. Oops, sub rep. Sub rep. In out number 27. In number 10, Kalupas of Sky Blue. Mr. Simoy inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. Number 12 has looking to the receiver of the ball. Harassed by who? Still by number 22. Referee Pasok. Step on the line. Substitution, rep. 25. Out. In number Balingtungan. Ang paborito nila, 69. Number 26, Simoy, inbound the ball, pass to number 12 of Sky Blue. Tanggile, harassed by number 22 of Dark Gray, harassed by 69. Oh, double dribble. Dinoble ang dribble. Ang sabi ng referee. Number 12, inbound the ball of Dark Gray. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 12. Pass by number 10 and number 26. Getting by number 7. Mr. Bulatao slays up under the goal. Is sacked by 2 by Mr. Bulatao. And number 12. Number 12 of Sky Blue, Tanggilak. Pass to number 19. 19 shot the ball, no good. Gray ball. Number 20. Shot by number 69. No good. Rebound by number 12. Rise up. Good. Now number 12. Shoot by number 12. Score by number 12. Number 26 of Sky Blue. Pass to Tanggil. Pass to number 10. Still by number 7. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Harassed by number 8. Oh, careful by Messi. Oh, referee. Oh, substitution. Ref. Number 19. In. Number 12. Out. Easy lang, Norman. Number 12. Tumitingin pa sa oras. Angiles. Pass to number 26, Simoy. Back to number 12. Number 12 tries to center. Oh, 10 seconds shoot. 69 is still to Mr. Simoy. 69 Dark Gray. Fakes. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 22. Harassed by number 8. Number 10 seconds shoot. Push power rep. Pushing by number 8 of Sky Blue. Warning for penalty of Sky Blue. Number 22 inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. Back to number 22. Shot to the 3-point line. Shot 3 points. 22. Stress. Number 12. Try to take it. Also to number. Oh, technical and perfect free throw. Oh, technical 1. Technical foul. Technical. Oh. Hindi, dito po. Technical lang. Hinarang niya. Hindi na ako ng foul.
Isa lang.
Kaya ipang bola niyan pag na-shoot. Okay.
Blue ball.
Same ball. Number 12, inbound the ball. Oops, still by number 22. Nice looking by number 22 to steal. Number 22 dribbling. Screen by number 12, trying to 3 points again. Wow, what a shot by number 22. Back-to-back 3 points. Number 12, 19. Pass to number 12. Tries to lace up. No good. Sumobra. Number 13. Number 10 rebound. Number 26 Simoy. Tries. No. Well, shot. Shoot by number 12 of black ng gray ng blue. Sige sir. 22 of gray. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Harassed by number 12. Oh, pinasa. Oh, tama. Sky Blue. Score. That great. Okay, back to the ball game. Wow, Mr. Pael. Pasok na yan. No, tama sila. Blue ball. No, kulang player ng blue. Monsira, inbound the ball, number 23. Hello, sir. Number 23, inbound the ball, pass to number 5 of Sky Blue. Number 5, pass to number 19. Fakes, shot, no good. Rebound by who? Rebound by number 12 of Dark Gray.
Same ball.
Loose ball. Same ball by referee Bogey. Number 9, Sky Blue. Ay, number 8. Number 9. Inbound the ball. Pass to 19. Pass to Mr. Moshra. Number 23. Oops! Nawala ang bola! Oops! Number 22. Up! Referee, what? 26, Mr. Simo, hinawakan sa bayan guys, ano sa hita pala. Penalty, ref, penalty. Bis sport lang yung kay Mr. Simo, susunod kasi nagtiro na siya. Talagang concern talaga sa kapwa player, yung sinasabi ko. May award ka na, sir. Free throw penalty by number 22. First free throw. Shoot by number 1 point by Mr. 22. First free throw. Last throw of Mr. 22. Shot again by number 22.
Ako yan. Samahan kita, solo ko eh.
Kaya nga.
Number 5. Dribbling.
Naglalaro.
Pass to number 23. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni number 19. Diretso. Nandito na. Na-steal number 69. Oh, for 69. 22. Try to 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23. Harassed by number 19. Pass to number 19 of Sky Blue. Pass to number 5. Number 5 back to number 23. 23 in the center. Shot. No good. Mr. Bulato steal the ball. Getting by the ball steal by number 26. Rebound by number 19. Shot. No good. Same ball. Huh? 21 seconds. Number 5, inbound the ball. Whoop! Same ball. Tumama sa tuhod. Nice shot. Pass by number 5 to number 9, but no good. Wala. 22. 10 seconds shoot in the first quarter. Up.
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, First quarter, brought to you by Gatorade, sponsor. Oh yeah, binaligtad na sir. Mr. Bibar, inbound the ball.
Tika sa atin yun.
Okay, time in.
Oo nga, ayun.
Kaya si...
Number 25 for Dagre, pass to number 5, Anibo, lays up, no good. Getting by number 69, shoot, no good. Rebound by number 19. Sky Blue. Number 12, Tangile, dribbling. Harass by number 21, shot by number Tangile, shoot by number Tangile. Nice shot by number 12. Number 21 of Dark Gray, dribbling. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 10. Try to shoot. No good. Mr. Monson, number 23, in on the ball. Oh, pass to number 12. Loose ball. Loose ball by number 12 of Sky Blue. Back to the ball to number 21. Number 10. Hindi na salo, sumobra ng pass.
Nanonood ako.
Number 9, number 12. Number 12, dribbling. Pass to number 5. Dribbling, harass by number 21. Oops, steal. Pass to number 5, Mr. Anibo. Mr. Anibo, dribbling. Oh, nawawala na ang bola. Tinawagan ng referee. It's the wall dribble. Number 9, inbound the ball. Of Sky Blue. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 28. No good. Oh, kulang daw, kulang. Ay! Pinasagag po na pinasahaan.
Kasi hindi mo lang mga taas.
Nasobra sa Gatorade yung basa. Eight minutes for the second quarter. Number 5, Francisco. Looking to the receiver. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 9. Last nice assist by number 23. Good passing of Sky Blue. Number 21, Castañeda. Pass to number 10, Mr. Duño. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21, pass to number 10. Pass to number 25, shoot! Good ball. Rebound by number 19, pass to number 9. Harassed by number 69. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 19. Number 12. Pass to 19. 10 seconds to shoot. 19 shot, Mr. Mandar, short. Rebound by number 10, Mr. Duño. Number 25, pass to number 24 of Dark Gray. Number 21, pass to number 5, Mr. Nibo, steal by number 12. Home alone by number 12, lays up. And shoot by number 12.
Abot na.
Tayo! Dagray, inbound the ball. Number 22, Olhit Chano.
Nanalo ang ano, ang
Number 20, inbound pass to number 21.
light gray.
Back to number 22. Pass by number 9. Number 22 drives in. Shoot by number 22. Nice shot by number 22. Number 5, inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. Hinaharangan ng dalawa. Pinasa kanino. Nakuha ni Mr. Consirat. Number 23. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 12. Rise up. No good. Rebound by number 21. Still by number 9. Of Sky Blue. Number 5. Francisco. Dribbling. Pass to number... Oh, try to 3-point line. No good. Nahawakan. Okay. Last touch by number 12. Number 9. Inbound. Number 12. Oop! Balik ang bola. Tumama sa paa. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa coach. Kung pagalitan. Oh, number 22. Pass to number 21. Castañeda. Back to number 22. Tries to 3-point shot. Number 22. 3 points. 22. Brought to you by Gatorade. Number 5. Pass to number 9. Harap. Sebol. Nice block by number 5. Number 9. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 8. Shot. Tumora. Number 5 of Mr. Nemo. Rebound. Pinasa kay Castañeda. 21. Pass to number 12. Back to number 21. Castañeda. Pass to number 22. 3 points by number 22. No good. Rebound by number 8 of Dark Gray, Sky Blue. Pass to number 9. Purpose. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 23. Nawala ang bola. Tapos number 8 of Sky Blue. Pass to number 12. Shot by number 12. Tumama sa board. Number 23. 6 seconds to shoot.
Uy!
Ayun ang bola, rep. Ayun ang bola. Number 5 foul. Number 5 of Sky Blue. Number Dark Gray. Substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Mamaya na daw. Mamaya na. Nagkulit. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Number 12, Tanggire. 3 to 6, 8 seconds. 8, number 8. Oh. Good. Castañeda, look the receiver. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 10 seconds shoot. Number 12. Pass by number 23. Lace up. No good. Foul by number 9. Substitution rep. Number 5 out. In. Obispo. Baliktara 69. In. Number 22, Dark Gray. To 69. Shot no good. Rebound by number 12. Pass number 21. Shot no good again. Number 23. Traveling by referee Pogi. Dark Gray inbound the ball. Number 22. Pass to number 21. Castañeda. Back to number 22. Dribbling. Jack diretso. Diliban Mr. Platao. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 5 who's Sky Blue. Second team foul. Number 22 inbound the ball. Pass to number 69. Harass by number 20. Number 69. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 5 of Sky Blue. Pass break to number 23. Hinintay pa ang bola ni Laser. Shoot by number 23. Yo, I steal number 9. Number 9 tries.
Oh,
No good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22, pinasa sa number 12, tinira! Nice pass by number 22, shoot by number 12. This dark gray. Sky blue, inbound the ball, number 5, pass to number 12. Number 12. Pinagkwadya number 21. Pinasa kay Francisco. Number 5. Testing shoot. Number 23, Monserrat. Hinaharas number 21, tinira! Na foul by Referee Brian Davis. Number 21 of dark gray. Number 5 on the pass to number 12, Tanggile back to number 5. Pass by number 69. Still by number 22. And number 22 dribbling the ball. Looking to the receiver. Back stealing the on the line. Who's foul rep? 23, Monserrat. Tidak apa. 13, team foul. 13 seconds to shoot. Mr. 22. Tinira naman tres. Wala, short. Rebound by number 12. Dire-diretso, pinasa kayo. Wala. Oop, last touch by same ball. Last touch by number 69. Number 9, inbound the ball. Pass to number 8. Mr. Gabino. Pass to number 5. Number 5 shot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Number 22 has by number 5. Dribbling by number 22. Pass to number 12. Who is still? But still in the hand of Mr. Manfeld. Mr. 12, pass to number 7. Tinira, wala. Number 7, rebound also. Himself. Pass. Rebound by number 12. Tinira, wala. Na-block pa rin ni number 8. Hop! Jump ball.
blue.
Gray ball. Gray ball. Dito. Time out. Sky blue. Mr. Kalupas. Number 10, pass to number Tanggile. Tanggile, pass number Gambino, shot to the 3-point, no good. Last touch by who? Last touch by number 10 of Sky Blue. Balik ang bola sa Gray. Number 10, Mr. Dunyo, inbound the ball, pass to number 22. And number 22, dribbling the ball, pass to number 12. Pass to number 12 also. Number 12! Incredible shot by number 12, pero wala. Number 12, Tanggile of Sky Blue, lays up. Shoot by number 12. Nice layup. Nice layup of Sky Blue, number 12. A minute of time in second quarter. Number 22, 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 12. Nakuha din ng Mr. Gabino. Lays up. Shoot by Mr. Gabino. Alhoop shot by number 8. 38 seconds, 37 of second quarter. Remaining time.
All Belabis.
Number 22 on the ball has by number 10. Number 10 of Sky Dark Gray. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 12, 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 10, Mr. Dunyo. Shot by Mr. Dunyo.
Naging block na yata itong...
Eh, yan na yung mga huling paggawa. Kaya iba.
15 seconds in the last quarter. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, no good. 4, 3, 2, 1, score! Dark Gray, 23. Sky Blue, 18. Dark Gray, 23. Sky Blue, 18. Hindi, kanina yan, sir. Ngayon, binaliktad na. Ayan. O, yan kanina. Binaliktad na ngayon. Yan. Okay. Number 22. Number 12. Mr. Alustri. District 3, shot, no good. Rebound by Mr. Gabino. Sky Blue. Eto na, may kapalit ng announcer.
Wow!
Hindi inaasahan yun. Talaga yun. Number 19, 3 points. 3 points, number 19.
Dos lang, dos.
Unbelievable shot by number 19.
Oy, counted.
Counted, rep. Counted by number 12 of Sky Blue. Foul by number Paler, 60. Number 12. Number 12 din foul. Illustre. Number 12. Bonus shot. No good. Rebound by number 12 of Dark Green. Number 22. So, 1-2. Pass to Mr. Paler. Number 22, haras by tatlong guy. Number 19, Travis! Unasod ka. Push pa rep. Pushing by number 19. Yep. Technical by number 19. Yun na to ang bola. Easy lang, easy lang. Wala. Technical lang yan, technical. Technical, same ball. A warning. Mr. Paler, inbound the ball. Pass to number 19. Binaharas number 8. Pinasa number 12. Nice kiss by number 12. Number 12. Sky Blue. Number 12. Lays
Wow!
up.
Foul.
Rebound by no good. Oy, Mr. Paler. Haras by number 5. Number 12. Lays up. By number 19.
Mami sila.
Kaya nga.
Back-to-back points by number 19.
Yun!
Number 19. Pinasa ang score, still by number 12. Number 12. Dire-diretso. Pinasa kay number 9. Power rep. Number 12 din ang dark. 1 plus 2 pa. Substitution rep. Substitution. Oh, 1 plus 2 pala yan. 1 plus 2. Yung isa 1 plus 2, yung isa 12. Yung isa 1 plus 1. 11 plus 1. Side ball. 70 seconds to shoot. Number 9, inbound the ball. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 8. Gabino.
Yo.
3 points. No good. Rebound. Win by number 9. Pass to number 8. Try to shoot again. No good. Number 5. Nakuha ang bola.
Wala talaga.
Wala pa rin yung pinili. Yung rebound number 22. Number 22, pass to number 19. Dire-diretso, wala ang bola. Number 19, naaras number 9. 10 seconds shoot, Mr. Paler! Sabi yung rep, Mr. Paler! Dahil sa tira mo, lupas ka na.
Dalawa uniform mo.
Kaya nga. Ano, maroon na siya.
Isang maroon ka.
Number 27. Pass to number 5. Dire-diretso. Wala. Block by number 12. Nako, number 69. Pinasa number 22. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Number 27. Rebound the ball of Sky Blue. Number 19. Last touch by number 19. Sky Blue. Number 69 at Clark Gray, inbound the ball by 69, pass to number 90, shot!
Di ba?
19 again, no, you shoot, no good. Rebound by number 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, shot! 1 plus 2, shoot. Umaya siya. Pagka wala tayong oras. Nag-dead ball lang ho. Number 5, Sky Blue, dire-diretso, wala! Nakuha number 9. Pinasa ka number 19, Kira, wala. Rebound by number 12, 1 plus 2, Bob Dark Gray. 1 plus 2. Inaaras number 9. Dribbling. Diretso, wala. Nakuha number 19, foul rep. Number 1 plus 2, substitute rep. Number 26 in, number 8 in. Inbound by number 27 of Sky Blue. Pass to number 12. Tangkile. Looking to the receiver. Pass to number 27. 3 points. What a shot by number 27. 3 points, number 27. Waiting to Dark Gray. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Flores. 19 tinira uli. Number 12 of Sky Blue, dribbling the ball, looking to the receiver. Pass to number 27. Number 27, 3 points, no good. Rebound
Dalawa.
by himself, number 27, lays up.
Hoy, traveling.
Uspa
Foul.
rep. Uspa rep. Number 7, Mr. Bulataw, stop to your rep. Number 12 and number 9.
Uy,
Binato ang bola. 13 team foul. Ang Sky Blue. Dark Gray, 13 team foul. Number 21, Castañeda. Pass number 69, 69, shot. No good. Rebound by number 5, Sky Blue. Pass to number 12. Inaaras number 20. Number 12, dribbling. Pass to number 5. Number 5, harassed by number 21. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 22 of Dark Gray. Oh, press the ball daw. Number 21, Mr. Castañeda. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22, Tirira. Wow, what a shot by number 22 of Dark Gray. Wala, Number 27, number Tangile, number 12. Number 27, carrying the ball. Pass to number 5. 5 seconds, shoot.
oh,
Number 10, nakuha ang bola. Inaaras number 5. Substitute rep. Number 5. Dark Gray. Oh, Dark Gray ball. Inbound the ball. Pass to number 22. Parang ititira. Nagkulit. Binalik sa kay 21. Pinasa kay 69. Number 69, tira. Wala. Ni-rebound number 27. Pinasa kay number 12 of Sky Blue. Sky Blue. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 19. Haras by number 22. Walang makita mapasahan. Us, foul rep. Using. 22. Substitute rep. 22 of Sky Dark Gray, foul. Warning for penalty, Dark Gray. Number 12, ganun na ball. Dire-diretso, pinasa kayo kay number 19. Sinaksak. Pasok.
Ano, light gray at saka isa.
69. Pin. Number 3.
Kumalala. Pero panalo light gray.
Pinasa kay Mr. Dunyo. Back to number 21. Tinira.
Tayo titignan ko.
Wala. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 27.
Orange pala, orange.
Number 27. Dribble. Tinitingnan ng mga kampe. Pinasa kay number 19. Mr. Mandal drives in. No good. Rebound by Mr. Bulataw. Of dark gray. Number 21. On the dribble. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 69. 69 slays. No good. Tumama sa kanto. Foul sa rep. Foul. 27 of Sky Blue foul. Wala pa. Hindi kayo ang ano. Huwag kayo makikinig sa coach. Ready one shot. No good. Rebound by who?
Symbol.
Referee. Symbol. Dark gray ball. Pass to number 21. Harassed by number 12.
3 seconds.
3 seconds by Mr. Simoy. Bukas, Lunes, may itlog ang ulam. Bulataw ba? Mr. Bulataw ba yung trip?
Ay, sila open sa
Bulataw pala. Oh, easy lang. Number 21, harassed by number 10. Nasa gitna, pinasa kay number 22. Pinasa kay number 69. Tinira!
Yo!
What a shot by number 69! Shoot by number 69. Balintungan. Oh, sige, pwede. Time out! Time out! Dark Gray! Pwede na magsabihan. Pag nag-time out, pwede na yan. Automatic. Sige. Number 19 of Sky Blue, inbound the ball. Pass to number 12, Tangilan. Looking to the receiver. Dribbling. Pass number 23, Monsirat. Try to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 1+2 of Dark Gray. 1+2 dribbling. Has by number 23. Pass number 1+2. Wala. Committee timeout. Number 1+2. Pakitanggal ang hikaw. Baka masabitan kayo. Ingat-ingat din tayo. Baka mapunit. Sayang. Okay, thank you for cooperation. 1+2. Dami 12. Number 12, Sky Blue. Kanina. Dire-diretso. Wala ang bola. Nice steal by number 5. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 7. Back to number 22. Number 22. Harass by number 12. Pass to number 5 of Mr. Anibo. Pinasa. 1+2. Dribbling. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Binalik kay Mr. 1+2. Mr. Tunyo. Diretso. 2 seconds to shoot. Good. Oh, referee calling. Referee whistle. 1+2. Penalty. Dark Gray. 18 seconds. Oh, shot by number 12. Mr. Mandal. First goal. Number 19. Remaining time in the third quarter. 18 seconds. Repeat. 18 seconds. Ang nakitira sa atin.
Oy. Violation.
Violation of Mr. 19. Last 18 seconds in the remaining time. 22 dribbling. Dire-diretso yata. Tinira. Wala. 10 seconds. 8. 6 seconds. 5. Number 5. 4. 3. Tangile. In the middle, throw to Mr. number 5. Pass to number 19, shot, no good. Rebound by number 20 of Dargway. And by number 20, still by number 23, Monsilat.
Nice.
Shoot by number 23.
Nakabulag.
Apat na lang.
22 of Dargway. Harassed by number 9. Walang bola. Napo pa number 19. Number 19 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Who's power rep? Number 5. Number 8 seconds to shoot. Number 69, inbound the ball. Pass to number 1 plus 2. 3 points. No good. Number 23 of Scrap.
Kagulangan.
Pass to number 2, Tangire. Pass to number who? Very well, 23 shot. No good. Rebound by number 22 of Dargway.
Dalawa.
Number 22, pass break to number 19. Pass to number 25. Shoot by number 25. Number 23. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 19. Number 19 shot. No good. Rebound by number 22 of Dargway. Pass to number 25 of Dargway. Number 25. Harassed by number 23 of Sky Blue. Hinawas. Nakita. 22. 10 seconds to shoot. Tinira number 22. 3 points. No good.
Yo!
Number 19. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Nawala ang bola. Sayang ang sabaw. Number 12. Pass to number 5. Back to number 12. Number 12. Pass back to number 19. Tinira. Wala. Sumobra. Stop. Jumbo rep. Okay. Dargway ball. Substitute rep. Number 25. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 19. Number 19, tinira!
Yo!
Nakakalaman siya.
Kaya nga.
Number 19, tinutulak lang. Number 5.
Bola!
Pass to number 19. Oh, please, still number 22! Kinuha na, hinawakan na ng goal. Number 23 of Sky Blue, foul. Holding the pitcher. Number 22 of Sky Blue, pass to number 19. Number 22, 3 points. Sumobra. Nakuha niya.
Yun.
Number 22, 10 seconds shoot. Oh,
Kicking.
Kicking the ball. Kaya ng bola rep. Okay, Sky Blue. Number 9, inbound the ball. Pass to number 1. Pagyan, dribbling. Pinasa na kayo ng 23. Pinasa yung Mr. Capino. 3 points. Sumobra. 3 points pala.
Wala nang sukat, Gabino.
Number 35.
Tapos quarter na pala yun eh.
Nawala sa'yo.
42 of Dargway. Number 22. Pass to number 25. Aras pa number 23. Nasa number 69. Oh, bumalik na ang bola. Hindi na salo. Dumulas. Number 5 of Sky Blue. Pinasa kay number 23. Dire-diretso, tinira, wala. Siya pa yung nakuha ng rebound, tinira. Number 23, shoot by number 23 of Sky Blue. Number 69, ball the ball, pass to number 12, harass by number 23, 1 plus 2. Foul, who's rep? Number 23. Substitute rep. Number 22 of Dargway, inbound the ball. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 7, Mr.
Nice
Bulata.
fake.
Shot. Shoot by number 7, Mr. Bulata. Number 5. Pass break to number 8, Kinira. Wala. Nakuha number 12. Tinira number 9. Shoot by number 9. Siya. Number 9.
Tanggi lang gumagawa rito.
25. Number 25. Walang mapasahan.
Ayan, tinawag na ito yung isa.
Number 19. Torres. Off-play steal. Mr. Cabino.
Naku.
Steal by number 25. Referee Ryan whistle. Substitution ref. Number 12, inbound the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass. Nakuha ni number 23. Pass to number 12. Tinira. Wala. Nakuha na rebound number 22. Nasa na kong tao. There's a whistle. There's a whistle. Referee decision tayo. Ano sir? Number 5, foul. Warning for penalty. Ano? Number 12. Diretso. Sige. Offensive foul. 1+2. Offensive foul by 1+2. A minute, 5 minutes and 54 seconds in the last quarter. Mr. Purpose, number 9 of Sky Blue, inbound the ball. Number 9, pass to number 8, Mr. Cabino. Mr. Cabino, pass to Mr. President, number 23. And 23, look, yeah. Wala, rebound by number 25 of Sky Dark Blue. Harass by number 9. Number 9. Number 25, dribbling, pass number 21. Number 22, 1+2. 9 seconds to shoot. 1+2, dribbling, drives in. 2+2. 1+2, 2 points. Pass break by number 23. 23.
Naku!
Kinasa.
Double.
Nakuha. Substitution. Castañeda, number 21, inbound the ball. Pass number 22, pass pa number 9. Number 20, dribbling. Foul, rep, pushing. Number 9. Penalty, rep. Number 22. First right. No good. Second try. Shot by number 22. Number 19, inbound the ball. Pass to number 12. And number 12, dribbling. Harass by number 21. Pass to number 8. Mr. Cabino. Shot. 2 points. No good. Rebound by 1+2. Harass by 2 man. Nice. Last 19. Nice steal. Number 19, dribbling. Nakuha nino.
Uy!
Referee whistle. Number 19, foul of Sky Blue. Substitution back. Penalty left. Substitution out number 8 in number 57. First try in the pit throw line. Mr. Castañeda. No good. Second try. No good also. Rebound by number 20 of Sky Blue. Number 23. Pass to number 19. Diretso. Nakuha yung number +1+2. That way. Nasa kay 22. Pass break alone by number 7. Number 7. 27.
Penalty.
Penalty rep. Warning or rally. Number 27. First row by number 7. Wala.
Kain sa 40 lang.
Pangalawang tiyak. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9. Skyler Beijing. Pass to Monserrat. 33. Lays up. No good. Rebound by number 12. Sky Blue. Rebound no good. Pinasa. Wala ang bola. Number 23. Pass to number 12. Diria. Shot no good. Rebound by number 3. Sky Blue. Foul. No? Foul rep 21 of Dark Ray. Castañeda. Time out! Sky Blue.
Yep.
Oh, sige. Oh. No good. Rebound by number 12 plus 2. Pass to 1 plus 2 again. Pass to number 22. Haras by number 12. Giving na haras by number 12. Wala ang bola.
Naapak kita.
Tumapak sa guhit. Number 4. 1 plus 2 pala. 1 plus 2. Back to number 21. Binalik pa sa 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Haras pa number 12. Inaas na number 23. Pinasa ka number 22. 3 points. No good. Nakuha number 21. Pinira. Short. Rebound by number 69. Haras pa number 9. Number 22. Galing ka ball. Number 22. Labas na ang bola. Pinasa. Nawala.
Nice.
Pinasa by 69. Shoot by number 69. Diyan ka. Nawala ang bola. Tayo ng bola rin. Same ball. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 9, pass to number 19 under the goal. Shot no good. Rebound by number 1 plus 2. Reps up, Chusisha, reps up. Anibo out. Anibo out. Maluat pula tawin. Number 1 plus 2, inbound the ball. Pass to, still by number 23, diretso ni Lesap, nubot, inbound by himself. Pinasa kay number 19, easy shot.
Wala pa rin.
Number 10, number 9.
Sayang.
Out of control. Time out! Dark Green! Mr. Panet. Inbound the ball by 21. Castañeda, pass to 1 plus 2. Back to number 21. And number 12, dribbling, aras by number 12. Pass to number 1 plus 2. Aras by again by number 12. Pass to number 21. And number 21, aras by number 23. Pass to number 69. Iria. Wala, sumobra. Dito na 1 plus 2.
Napaganda pa.
1 plus 2. 2 points. 27. Pass to number 12. Back to number 27. Dribble. And the middle. Number 27. Pass to number 19. Walang bola. Number 22. Aras by number 12. Pass to number 21. Pass to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Look to the receiver. 21. Dribbling. Back to 1 plus 2. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 22. Tries to shoot. Good. Good. Number 12, Tangkile. Tinira sa 3 points.
Do.
Shoot by number Tangkile. Number 12, 3 points. May Tangkile. Tres. A minute of 15 seconds. Number 21. Agaw ng bola. Walang manalo. Pinasa kay number 69. 69. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7, Mr.
Counted.
Second to tackle. Under. Just pa rep. Twenty-seven. Graduate. Number 7, graduate. First row, Mr. Golagaw. No good. Second try. No good also. Rebound by number 22. A minute for last quarter.
Ay.
Oh, pinatong bola sa mga. 57 seconds. 57. Inbound the ball. Okay. Pass to number 9. Mr. Corpus, pass to number 23. In the 3-point line, shot. No good. Short by number 19. Pass to number 1 plus 2. Pass to number 22. Oh, foul by 23. Ano sila? Penalty rep. No good. A second throw. For the 15 footer of Mr. 22. Shot. Short. Rebound by Sky Blue, number 10. Pass to number 9. Still by number 7. Number 20 getting the ball. Pass to number 19.
Gulat ko ah.
Eman. Number 22. Binato ang bola. Binigay kay number 19.
Diba?
Number 19. Number 12. Shoot. Tinira na 3 points. Number 12. No good.
Isa pa. 5.
3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second.
Talaga.
Okay. Oh, yung ano, pagkakar pa kayo dito. Nanalo pa kayo, pero pa kayo dito.